Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your on-screen keyboard is not working, then watch this video for the solution. Now we can view the online keyboard by using the shortcut keys Control, Window and O, and it should bring up the on-screen keyboard. But if it doesn't, then we need to go to accessibility in the settings bar. So right click on the start button, go to settings, click on accessibility, and then we need to click on the keyboard, and here we will click on on-screen keyboard and it should appear then. But if it doesn't, then we need to run a Windows update by right clicking on the start button, go to settings, click on Windows update, and then click on check for updates. Once that is done, we will also run an SFC scan. So we'll go to command prompt, right click on it, click on run as administrator, and then enter the command sfc space /scannow and press enter. While that is running, we will also disable the fast startup option. So I'll press the Windows and the R key, and I will enter the command power cfg.cpl, and I'll click enter, and this should bring up this uh, window, and I can select on choose what the power buttons do, and here I will click on change settings that are currently unavailable, because you can see that this shutdown settings have been grayed out. So change settings that are unavailable and make sure that this turn on fast startup box is unchecked. Once we do that, then we can see if the keyboard online keyboard works. So for that, again we'll press control, the Windows button and the O key, and it should show up on the system. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.